Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this Volkswagen Golf Mark 7 in deep black pearl. It's also got the matching black alloy wheels. It's a 5-door body style and it's a 66 reg. It's done around 33,000 miles, so not many at all. And it's got the manual 6-speed gearbox. 33,928 miles. Obviously we'll give it a nice clean for you before you get it. Got your touchscreen in the middle with your navigation. This car also features a reversing camera, which is a really handy feature obviously to have, and not many of them do have reversing cameras on, so it's a great option. I'll show you it now. It just pops up when you put it into the car into reverse. The reverse camera pops up, really good feature, as well as having parking sensors at the front and back of this car. We've also got heated seats on this model, also not a very common thing on the Golf. You've got air conditioning as well. You've got your classic sunglasses holder. Obviously your door, your visors with the mirrors, and then you've got your glove box as well. This car comes with a 2-year Volkswagen approved warranty, as well as 2 years roadside assistance should you need it. And we do a 142-point check on all of our cars, and obviously validate it before you collect it or we deliver it. We offer delivery for just £99. We do offer flexible financial options as well as part exchanges. Thanks for watching this video. We hope to see you soon.